Hey guys, welcome to Train Check YouTube channel. In this video, we will be solving this simple CodeWars Kata 8 algorithm question. Yeah, it is one of the simplest. It's one of the simplest Kata 8 question I've ever seen on this CodeWars. So it is very simple. It is just simple and straightforward. So we are towards make a function that will return a greeting statement that uses an input. There's an input like your name, your program should return hello. Like if you input any name here, it should return what hello, and then the name you inputted. How are you doing today? So, like if you input any name, it should return hello Ryan. How are you doing today? If it is hello John, if it is John you input, it will also be hello John. How are you doing today? So it is very simple and it is very straightforward. So I will not be solving this on Visual Studio. I'll just be solving this directly here because it's just one line. So I'll be solving it here. So what we just have to do, what we are going to do is just what is to I'll be using string literals. I'm using string literals. So we are just going to return. Let's just return this straight. To just be return. So I'm using string literals. Return hello. So I'll copy this guy here. I'll copy this guy here. Return hello, and then I will input the name. I'll use this since I've used this dollar sign and then followed by this double quote, and I can then input any any variable here. So I can input a variable in between it, so it will pick the variable and then return the variable. So now string, so I can put the variable name here. Since I've used dollar sign followed by the double quote, it's part of the string literals in C sharp. So I can use the string name, variable name string, and then input it here. So it will now be hello. Whatever name you input here, it will be, if it is John, it will be hello John, how are you doing? If it is Michael, it will be hello Michael, how are you doing? If it is Mark, it will be hello Mark, how are you doing? If it is whatever name you input here, it will return it here. So it is very simple and very straightforward. We are this is just what we have to do. Then we end it with a semicolon and then we test it straight. So we are not doing much. So I don't have to be taking it to Visual Studio. We don't have anything to be debugging here. So now you can see we passed all the test cases. It is one of the the simplest algorithm kata I've ever come across on CodeWars. So that is that for that. We can just attempt and submit. So that is just what we have to do. It's very simple. So we are just solving this using string literals. This is one of the string literals in C sharp. So using the dollar sign and then double quotes. Then inside this double quotes now, you can input any variable there, any variable you've declared, any string variable you've declared. So you can input it there. It will pick the particular value of the variable and then display it there. So that is just what we have to do. So if you take this to Visual Studio, you will see. Let's just take this guy here to Visual Studio. I will just paste this method. I won't do anything more than pasting the method. So we can see how it looks like here. So the string and then the variable, you can see how it looks like inside the double quote. So but if I remove this dollar sign, it will not work. It is just like a normal variable. It is just like a normal string, I mean. So if you put the dollar sign, it will mark this as a variable. So it will map it there. So that is just what we have to do. So that is that for that. So let's just submit and then move on. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to Train Check YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you can get notified anytime we upload new video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to share. See you in the next video.